Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals. Start by creating a comprehensive study plan. This plan should outline all your subjects and the specific topics within each. Dedicate specific time slots each day for studying, ensuring you cover everything. It's wise to prioritize subjects you find more challenging, tackling them when your mind is freshest. Remember to break down larger study goals into smaller, more manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This structured approach will make your preparation much more effective and less stressful. Merely reading notes isn't enough. Engage in active learning. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words to solidify understanding. Practicing with past examination papers is crucial, as it familiarizes you with the question format and time constraints. A highly effective method is to teach difficult topics to someone else. Explaining it aloud helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Additionally, use flashcards for memorizing important facts, definitions, and formulas quickly and efficiently. Your physical and mental well-being are paramount during this period. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your brain can consolidate information effectively. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Fuel your body with nutritious meals and drink plenty of water. Even a few minutes of light physical activity can significantly reduce stress and improve concentration. On the day of your final, a calm approach is best. Briefly review your most important notes and formulas, but avoid intense last-minute cramming. Make sure to arrive at the examination venue at least 15 minutes early to settle in without rush. Once the paper is distributed, read all instructions and questions very carefully before you begin writing. During the examination, allocate your time wisely, dedicating appropriate minutes to each section to ensure you complete everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.